Okay, so this is just the slideshow on maps, the introduction to AP Human Geography for anyone that needed to hear just the first couple of introductory slides that we did. This is Unit 1 Maps. We were talking about the fact that it's really difficult to get the Earth, which is a 3D object, unwrapped and put onto a sheet of paper without any kind of distortion. So distortion is basically anytime something is portrayed not as it truly is in real life. So that would basically, when we're talking about maps, that would mean pieces of land are not correct, areas of land are not correct, and we'll take a look at how some of the cartographers or map makers basically tried to rectify that with their map projections. So one of the first types of map projections that you need to know is something called a Mercator. A Mercator map projection is distorted the farther away from the equator that you go. You can see it's a little bit more stretched out by Canada, by Greenland, by Russia, by Antarctica, and the countries, as you get closer to the equator, are a little bit more true to size. This is very, very common type of map. We use them in the United States all the time. It's cheap, it's easy to produce, it's easy to use for navigational purposes. All of the latitude and longitude lines meet at 90-degree angles, and it's one of the most common ones you guys have probably seen. It probably never occurred to you that there's some sort of stretching out or distortion on this map, but there is. It's very expensive to put a globe in a textbook. It's impossible. It's very expensive to distribute globes to everyone. So in order for map makers or cartographers to get maps in the hands of people, they had to figure out ways in which to unwrap the Earth, put it onto a flat sheet of paper, and try and limit the amount of distortion as much as possible. So this was one of their ways in doing that, the Mercator map projection. Another one, and this is just another picture of a Mercator.